everyone, welcome back to Dynokids. I hope you are doing great. So as promised, this video is on number names. In part 1, I have shared a video which helps you to give introduction to child about number names in an interesting and a playway method. So if you haven't watched that video yet, then I have given the link of that video in the description below. So just go and watch it out. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please consider subscribing our channel and hit the bell icon to get all the regular notifications of our upcoming videos. Also, this video is on both languages, Hindi and English. ये वीडियो दोनों languages में है, हिंदी और English. To watch this video in English, continue with this video. और अगर आप ये वीडियो हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो उसका लिंक मैंने नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है. Just go there, click on that link और आप complete video हिंदी में देख पाएंगे. So for this activity, I have made some cards as you could see here, and using a ring, I have binded all the cards. So let's open the ring and take out our first card. As you could see, I have made this card using a cardboard, and here I have written number name 1. In part 1, I have told you how to give introduction of number names or how to give recognition of number names to kids. In this part, you will know how to drill number names to kids. Yeah. So as you could see here, it's ONE1. So now child will see where is 1. So here it is. And now the child will take one page from here and will clip it here like this. It's a fun way for kids to play with interest, and child does this very happily, right? And by doing so, let's move to our next card, which is TWO2, right? So now child will find where is number 2 and take a page and clip it over number 2 like this. Yeah, so like this you can make as many as cards you want. First time when you give these cards to child, always prefer a particular order like 1 2 3 4 like this. After then you can mix them and give random number names to the child. For example, 6, then maybe 3, and then 5 like this. Doing so, child will be able to learn all the number names in drill mode, and child would also feel like that he's just playing a game using a page and a card, right? And I always says before any worksheet or activity sheet, always prefer to choose some playway method or to let child understand the concept, so child can grasp that concept easily with proper visualization. After this, in my upcoming videos, I'll be sharing some DIY worksheets for number names which your child can practice with you, and you can easily add them in daily practice worksheet of your child. So stay tuned with us for next upcoming videos for number names worksheets and daily practice worksheets also. So if you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and please share it with your friends and family. And so now let's see how Amish is doing this activity. If you find this video useful, then please like, and if you try this with your child, then please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.